Building security into everyday devices is paramount, and Lenovo's Support and Protection Services, part of its IT Lifecycle Solutions, has been doing just that. Here's what Lenovo Support and Protection Services provide businesses over and above its base warranty. Warranty extensions and upgrades. With this service, you can avail pickup and return courier services to get your product repaired. Receive on-site support. Get a technician to install a customer replaceable unit. And avail an international warranty upgrade when traveling outside your country. Premier Support. Premier Support is an advanced level PC support solution for businesses, available across 100+ markets worldwide. You have direct access to elite Lenovo engineers who provide unscripted troubleshooting and comprehensive support for hardware and software, leading to less downtime. It's no surprise that 91% of Premier Support customers indicate that they will buy this service again, while 88% indicate recommending it to peers. Accidental Damage Protection. Lenovo's Accidental Damage Protection service covers accidents beyond the system warranty and protects your devices from accidental drops, spills, bumps, electrical surges, and other structural failures. This service prevents IT departments from purchasing and managing spare inventory for damaged units. This avoids unplanned costs, decreases downtime, and accurately budgets device fleet service costs. Sealed Battery Warranty. Designed for sealed battery technology PCs, this service extends battery coverage for up to 3 years and avoids dealing with unavailability and unplanned IT expenses. Lenovo Support and Protection Services provide a multitude of security, troubleshooting, repair, and in-person support, thus helping IT decision makers and customers get more time on their side. Lenovo Services.